I could not believe this, so I had to see it for myself. I use purple painter's tape. It's heat-resistant and cheap. Now make sure you tape the print template firm and all around. Especially the borders need to be taped firm. Now set the air fryer on 180 Celsius or 365 degrees and 3 minutes. Lay the mug on the side and remember it, because we need to turn it after 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, put the mug on the opposite side for 3 minutes more. I put my mug in a bucket of water to cool off. Now let's see how it will turn out. It is looking really good. The colors are popping. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more crafting tips and tricks. Make sure to check out the comments for answers to frequently asked questions and troubleshooting tips.